Richard Smith here, and did you know that the words you speak are creating your future? In chapter 3 of my book, I'm going to dive into the power of language. The way you talk to yourself and others is actually shaping your reality. Words are not just sounds, they're creative forces. Every time you say the words, I can't or I'll never, you're actually reinforcing those beliefs. But when you say, I can, I will, and I am, you actually start rewiring your brain for success. So in this chapter, I'm going to share practical tips on how to change the language you use daily to empower yourself and those others around you. You're going to learn how to craft affirmations that align with your goals and start speaking your future into existence. The power of words is so incredible. Why not use that power to create the life that you want? Right now, what I'd like you to do is tell me one empowering affirmation you're going to start using today. Remember, your words have the power to change everything. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around for the next video, Overcoming Fear. Again, the link for the ebook is down below. Click that and get started today.